So we exclusively showed you the Jio V3 and V4 phones that are launched today, and to talk more on it, we have Mr. Sunil Dutt, who's the president Jio. Welcome to the show, sir.
Thank you.
So, congratulations on the new launches today.
Thank you.
So, what is special about it? If you could just explain and elaborate for our viewers today.
Yeah, so we've had Jio Bharat phones in the market for some time now, and what differentiates these phones from normal 2G phones which are there in the market is that the 2G phones you can only use for voice and SMS purposes, but Jio Bharat devices do much more than that, and at a much more affordable price. So, for example, on these phones, you can actually watch, a customer can watch more than 455 live TV channels, and so whatever is happening in the country and in their own language, they can actually watch live TV. They can, on Jio Cinema, they can actually watch movies, they can watch video shows, and they can also watch live cricket matches. So like all the IPL matches which were happening, all the Bangladesh series that just happened, so all of that, people were able to watch live on Jio Bharat phones. Along with that, this phone also supports UPI, so digital payments. So people can actually make and receive payments on Jio Bharat devices, including on a QR code scan and pay. Along with that, there is a feature called Soundbox, which is built inside this phone, which helps the customer to get to know how much money has been received.
Okay, like we have it otherwise in the voice that comes when the money is deducted or when the money is actually added to your wallet.
Yes.
Okay.
So a lot of people charge extra money for it on a rental basis, but this comes inbuilt as free of cost with this device. On the Jio chat, people can actually use that messenger to send and receive messages, group chat, video shares, photograph shares, all of that one can do on a Jio chat. The best part of this phone is that not just the affordability of the device, which this phone is for 1099 rupees, but the monthly recharge plan that comes with it, which is only 123 rupees a month. That gives customers unlimited voice calling, also gives them 14 GB of data.
And that's just for rupees 123 is what
Just for 123 rupees, in which all the live TV, cinema, cricket matches, UPI, all your Jio chat, everything is included in this in 123 rupees a month, which as compared with the 2G phone is something like 199 rupees a month over there. But here is 123 rupees a month. So overall, the phone gives so much more to the customer and at much more affordable price point. So that's the beauty of the phone.
So they launched today. Are they available to be bought from the market from today?
In the next 3 to 4 days, it will be available at all retail outlets in the country and also online.
Thank you, Sunil. Thanks, Doctor.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.